This video is part of the course that is Build Reports with Jasper Reports, Java and Spring Boot. Link for this course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will download and install JasperSoft Studio. So let's get started. In the Google, just search for JasperSoft Studio. Okay, and just click on this first URL to download the community edition of JasperSoft Studio. So this is how it looks like. Okay, JasperSoft Studio. Just click on the download. So this is the latest version as of now when I'm recording this lecture. Whatever it appears for you when you are seeing this lecture, go for it, okay, according to your operating system. Say for example, if you are using Windows, go for it. See, for Mac and for Linux also it is available, okay. So according to your operating system, just download it. Now here to download it, you need to register first, okay. So using your email address, just sign up and you will get one verification email. Just verify it by clicking on the link and log in, okay. It's free, you don't need to pay anything, but before you download, you need to log in, okay. So first register and then log in with your email ID, and then again you can come over here and click on the download and it will get started. So after having the setup, say for example, if you are using Windows, then it's just clicking the next button. That's it, okay. So I'm not covering that part because that is very basic, and if you are using Linux or any other operating system, that will be the similar kind of steps for the installation that you do for any other softwares, whatever you are using, right? So that is very simple and I'm not covering that. I hope you will understand that point. So after installing Jasper Studio, just open it and you will see the screen like this, okay. So here you will see two tabs. So go to the Project Explorer and by default you will see one project has been created, okay. So this is basically a Jasper report project, and if you don't see this project automatically get created for you, then don't worry. Go to File, New and Project. Select the Jasper report project, okay, and give it any name and click on the Phoenix. That's it, okay. But actually it should get created automatically when you first start the JasperSoft Studio, okay. And here it will pick your local Java, whatever JDK you have installed, okay. It's picking the JRE. I'm using Java 8, whatever you are using it, okay. And you will see couple of Jasper report libraries that is actually picking from your installation directories, okay. See, it is coming from my C drive. So here we have some jar files, okay, for chart, for font and for other stuff, okay. So this is internally JasperSoft Studio is using, okay. We don't need to worry about it. So this is how it look like. And here we will design our Jasper reports. We will drag the elements into our report and we will build the design of our report. So that we will see in the upcoming lectures as we proceed further in the course. As of now, download the Jasper Studio as per your operating system, install it and have one Jasper report project. That's it. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to create reports from your Java and Spring Boot application? If yes, then I'm having complete course that is Build Reports with Jasper Reports, Java and Spring Boot. Let me show you the report that you will be able to create after completing this course. So this is basically student report card and this is the report in the format of PDF. So in this course, you will learn how to have image in your report and how to have this kind of label in the report and text field. This value will come from your Java and Spring Boot application. You will learn how to have data in the table format and how to make sum of particular column values using Jasper variable. You will also learn to sort particular column values. You will learn how to have this kind of page footer where you can display current page out of total number of pages. Charts are very useful to summarize your data in the report. So in this course, you will learn how to have this kind of pie chart and 3D bar chart in your report. In this course, you will learn to export this kind of report in different formats like PDF, HTML, and Microsoft Excel. You will learn to create this kind of report from your Java and Spring Boot application. So what are you waiting for? Link for the course is given in the description. Just click on that link and start creating reports from your Java and Spring Boot application. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding!